Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 38 Hillside Drive in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts.
Your search is over. Come take a look at this updated 3-bedroom ranch-style home.
This awesome property features a nicely updated kitchen with tile floors, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops.
I just can't believe how well maintained this home is and the amounts of updates, including all new windows, lighting, and beautiful wood floors.
I love the open feel of this property. Some of my favorite features are the breakfast bar, eating kitchen, and of course the partially finished basement.
Out back you'll find a deck and a pergola which overlooks the large private yard, perfect for entertaining family and guests.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 38 Hillside Drive here in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us on the number below.
Here at Arborvitaes Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.